Hello guys, I want to quickly do a quick analysis what I'm expecting for the week. Okay, this is what I do every single week, sitting down, looking at the chart, and then marking out my zones where I expect price to react from, because what we trade is the reaction. We don't predict, we simply trade the reaction. So I'm going to start with AUD. On AUD, you can see that we are rejecting of this monthly opening price here. So I'm going to change this to monthly. All right, we are rejecting of that monthly opening price, and then we are coming from this monthly level. So those are the two things that I have on my chart here. We are coming from this monthly level, and we are currently rejecting from here. So this is the monthly range. All right, from this level of 0.64873 to 0.66063. So from here, I go to the weekly time frame. Now from the weekly time frame, I have price rejecting of this zone here, this level, this opening price. This opening price was previously resistant, now is support. So having that rejection, that might potentially end the bearish move that we have on this pair starting from here. Okay, the AUD USD was bearish from this level to this point. So this rejection can potentially end that. So what I can also see is this resistance here. So I have the weekly range to work with from this level 64497 to 65761. So once I mark out my weekly range, I go to the daily. So from the daily now, I can see that we have a nice push from this level. So this level is simply the daily support where price rejected off from. So currently, this is my potential area to buy. Okay, when price gets to this level, I'll be buying from this level upward. Okay, then secondly, we are rejecting of this level on the daily. Okay, so we have the daily range as well, which price might be heading to this untested resistance here. So on the 4 hour, I can get my precise entry from the 4 hour. Okay, I get my precise entry. So when price gets to this level, I'm going to pull the short. So this is what I have on AUD. So for the week, we'll be looking at the bullish buyers. We're looking at the weekly bullish buyers at least up till we get to this level here. So that's what I'm looking at on AUD USD. So let's go to NZD, starting from the monthly, because the month just ended, so we need to work from the monthly time frame. So from here, from the monthly time frame, we have price rejecting of this level here. Okay, and then the closest support we have is this level. So we have this weekly and monthly, and we have this level as well. So potentially price may trade to this level potentially. Okay, but most times I work with my weekly direction. So from the weekly, yeah, we have this rejection right here, this reversal opening price. We have the rejection of the reversal opening price. Price traded into this weekly level, which is the same level with the monthly, and that signifies a strong level. So from there, we have this range 60.624 to 62.092. So from the daily, what I need to do is simple. I'll simply look for entry at this fresh level. So when price gets in here, I'm going to look for my entry, okay, and then push price to the upside. If I refine it to the 4-hour, I have a nice level here on the 4-hour. So that is my entry there for a bullish trade. So overall, I might be, though the market is bearish on the monthly, but the weekly is bullish. Okay, the weekly time frame is bullish, so we need to focus on bullish trade up until we get to this point, 61.71.7. all right, so let's look at US30. US30 is interesting as well. On the monthly time frame, you can see this is powerful push to the upside. We are bullish. On the weekly, we created a fresh weekly level right here. Okay, so if you are buying from this level, you have to be careful because of that resistance. So what I will need to do is, on the weekly basis, I might wait for price to come to this side. When price gets to this level on the weekly, this reversal opening price, we might have a potential push to the downside for a better entry to go higher. Okay, so from those levels now, these are my zones weekly. These are my weekly range, 39,092.7 and then 38,574.9. These are the weekly range. So from there, from the weekly range, I will simply be looking at ways to enter this market. Now, for what I've seen, price may not want to come in here because of this rejection here. So I'm going to mark that level. I'm going to mark that level for now to see if there's anything I can do and trade to the upside from there. So if we go to the 4-hour, I have a setup here now. So this setup is simply intraday. So when price gets in here, I'll be looking for my entry for intraday movement. I'm not holding it for swing. Okay, but overall direction of this pair is bullish. Okay, overall direction is bullish, so we have to follow suit. Looking at NAS, the same thing, just like US30, we have a strong bullish push monthly, so we should continue that bullish move. On the weekly, we cannot FOMO in. All right, FOMO simply means fear of missing out. Because you know this pair is going to the moon, does not mean just open a buy order here. All right, because a lot of people, some people or some smart traders might be taking off their profit in here, which can lead to price moving down slightly. So what I need to do is to mark out my weekly level. So the closest weekly level I have is simply here. The last reversal opening price is here. So from there, on the daily, I'll simply wait. If price does not come back down, I won't trade. All right, so I'll simply wait for price to get to this zone. From here, I'll open up a buy trade. I'm going to pull the trigger the moment price gets in here. Okay, gold on the monthly, you can see there was a strong rejection and turned bullish in February. Price traded all the way down here. We took advantage of this trade in here. I'm going to make a video on that. Okay, we took advantage of this trade, and right now price is still very bullish. On the weekly, we also have this level on the weekly time frame. So, and you can see also we do not have any fresh resistance that might repel price to the downside. So what I need to do is simply, I'm going to wait for that pullback again to see if I can enter at this level or look way down here, and or we get this level. Now I know a lot of people will be like confused. Which one are you going to take in? It all depends on the price action in the lower time frame. When the lower time frame speak the language that I need, I'm going to know that if this level or this will be too old. All right. So on gold, I'll simply wait to see the closure of this candle. Okay. If you want to know what happens after the closure of this candle, put it in the comment section, and maybe I will talk more on this in my next video. All right, put it in the comment section. And also, if you want to know the way I trade, you can join my mentorship. Okay, the link is in the description. And if you like what I'm doing in here, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, and let this video get to so other traders. Okay, so now gold right now is simply a wait game. You wait and see if price is going to pull back down into this level here. Okay, from there you start looking for a way to buy. Now, depending on what this candle does today, I can decide to short this market all the way down. It all depends. That's why I said if you want to know more, put in the chat or the comment section, so I will take a look at it. On pounds, this market has been bullish from here, but what happened on February or in February is that we couldn't pass through this monthly resistance here. Okay, so currently price is trading towards that level, another level here. So we look at the weekly time frame. So on the weekly, we have this level and price rejected of that, creating another level here, which price is currently trading at. So this pair for me wants to be doing a kind of sideways movement on the weekly time frame, which I do not entertain such trades. I rather wait for a clearer opportunity. So what I would do is simple. We have this rejection, we have this. So this is more like an intraday setup for me. And then 4 hour, we can have price sell from here. Okay, we can sell price from here to this level, or we buy from this level to this level. All right, but if price comes in here, we look for a way to buy, because the market is kind of consolidating. So for me, if you ask for my opinion on this pair, I will simply tell you to wait. All right, then Euro USD, this is what everyone has been waiting for. On the weekly, first of all, the monthly time frame rejected from here. Oh, sorry about that. The monthly rejected from that level. So let me change this to the monthly line so that I know when I see it. So the monthly rejected here, went up for a strong bullish push, came back in here and rejected down with a bearish close. Okay, so this is the monthly range where we can be looking for trades within this. Buy around here, sell around there. So on the weekly, time frame, we have a strong rejection there around this level as well. Okay, price traded up and couldn't close above this as well. So we have weekly level here and weekly level around there. So what I can see is I have a fresh nice weekly level to buy from here. So going to the daily, I can see if price comes in here, I'll be taking a shot. All right, so I'm giving you my best entry levels here where I can join in this party to the upside, though things can change in the course of the day, course of the week. So whatever it is, I will let you know also if there's any change in my directional bias. But for now, these are my bias for these pairs that I've gone through. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. and you want to see more of these videos, be it individual pairs or collectively as this, let me know in the comment section. Then if you want to understand more of opening price strategy, join me in this video.